Climate change is here to stay. We understand this now, and we know that this changes what we do.
We need to emphasize the link to the underlying science of the changing and evolving climate system.
So Sandy really needs to be looked at in this context of more frequent events that have enormous impact.
Absolutely, that has to underpin, any statements you make about the future. Need to be seen in the context of the climate change projections and where that's going.